Adding pages and managing them is all done from the content management system. And you access that at the top left from the sidebar with this hamburger menu icon. And then you will see highlighted by default is pages. Select pages. Whenever you create a new project, you will see only this, and that is home. The first page that is by default created is called home. Before we look at all the settings, let's see how do you add pages. At the bottom, select add new page, and let's call this page an about page. The slug will automatically generate, but you can also give your own. Add a description here, especially for SEO purposes. Select save, and once you click save, you will see that a few things have updated in the screen. At the top, you have options for translate, SEO, social sharing, and if you want to inject code on this page. At the bottom, we have edit, duplicate, preview, and delete. For now, select the back arrow in the top left, and we can see we have 2 pages here. To go back into editing the page, select it, and you go back into the settings. Here in the top right, you have the option to select draft or publish the page, and once you do so, it will turn to a green circle. If you put it in draft mode, it's an amber light, and this can also be viewed here on the pages display with these indicators. From the pages menu, if you want to edit a page, which means to add content in it, in this case the about page, select the icon for edit. This will take you into the page where you can bring in content. So let's bring in about page here from one of the pre-made layouts. With the about page created, let's add another page, and this one we will call projects. Go to the CMS dashboard, make sure you are on pages, and select add new at the bottom. We call this projects, and then we can already put it into publish and click save changes. Within the page options, you can go directly to the page edit by selecting edit here in the bottom. If you want this page duplicate, which is great if you're working with posts, you can select duplicate, and you also have the option to preview and delete it. Let's go directly into edit. And like before, I'm going to bring in the page from the pre-made templates for the projects. The page is already published, so I'll select update. Go to our CMS settings. Select our pages. If you have many pages, the search pages option here on the top will really speed up finding the page that you need to work on. If at any point you want to delete a page, you can select the trash can here, or you can go into the page by clicking on it and selecting delete in the bottom right corner. The same holds true for duplication. If you want to make a copy of an existing page, you can select copy from the pages menu, or you can select the page that you want to duplicate and select duplicate in the bottom right corner. And that can also be done by under link selecting the slug that will give you the preview, or selecting the page and selecting in the bottom right corner preview.